What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Miles Morales from Spider-Man. Let's get started in the center of our page at the top edge of the eyes. I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up. And then we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing going up and out in the opposite direction. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the eye. Starting back on the left. Just going to round this out. Down toward the bottom, and then just pull that up on the inside. And now we're going to trace the eyes along the outside. Starting from the top left corner, we're going to step up. It's going to follow that same curve, coming in, and pull that down on the inside. Now that we have the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the lower half of the head. From the left side of the eye, we're going to step out, we're going to draw a large half circle. So we're going to bring this down towards the middle, round out the head, and pull that back up on the right side. And then we'll go back to the left and draw on the top of the head. Starting up here, go around the eye, pull that up and in, round out the head, come across, and then back down. Now let's add that web pattern inside the head. Starting from the very top in the middle, we're going to draw a straight line coming down, just aiming in between the eyes. Stop right about there. And then from here we'll angle down and out towards the left and right. Let's go to the top of the left eye and curve this out and then up. Line this up on the right. Then we'll go back to the center, curve down and out toward the left and right side. Go underneath the eyes, draw a short angle line coming down and out. Then we'll add a couple more lines along the side. Starting from the side of the head, come straight in towards the eye. From the top corner of the eye, angle up and out. Now we're going to add those webs going across. From the top left corner, curve in and then up. Line this up on the right side. Then going back to the left, curve down and then up in the middle. Now we're going to move down on top of the eye, curve in and then up. Add one more along the inside. And then we'll add the webs along the bottom, starting right in the center, curve up and down, curve this up underneath the eyes, come down towards the bottom, add another curve, and we'll pull this up and out just underneath the eyes. Now we draw this character with the arms stretched out towards the side. So let's start with the side of the body, starting over on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body coming down, and then in towards the hip. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then we'll go back to the left side, step down, draw the arm, curving up, and then out. Line this up on the right. And then from here we're going to curl around the thumb. We'll start from the wrist, curve out, and then down towards the side. Let's round out the thumb, pull that back up and in. Let's draw on the first finger. From the top of the thumb, draw a straight angle line going up and out. Round out the tip of the finger, come down and then in. Let's add the second finger. Go up and out. Round up the finger and come down and back in. And we'll tuck the third finger in behind. Starting from the inside, curve in, and then down towards the wrist. And then from here, we can curve the arm coming in and then down in behind the head. Let's separate the top edge of the fingers. From the wrist, I'm just going to curve down and up in between the fingers. And down and out. And down and out towards the top of the thumb. And then we'll close off the top of the thumb, curving in and then down towards the wrist. Let's go back to the inside of the arm, add that trim, going out and up underneath the head. Let's go to the inside, draw a straight angle line coming down and out towards the side of the body. We'll follow that same curve of the body coming down on the side. And they'll angle up and out toward the side. Let's add that spider symbol in the center of the body. We're going to start right in the middle with a small V and come down the sides with a straight line. Let's draw in the top set of arms, curving out and up just underneath the head. Round up the arm, follow that same curve coming back in. Let's draw another set of arms. Just going to pull this out a little bit further along the side. And again, just rounding this out and then pulling that back in. Let's draw another curve. Going down and out with a short line. Rounding this out, pulling this in. And then the last legs are going to come down, going out and then down towards the side. Let's round out the bottom, go up and in. So leave a gap in the center. Close off the bottom with a curve. Let's draw a circle in behind the spider. We're going to start on the left side, curve this around, and then in, and then continue along the bottom. Let's bring that circle up along the top, just underneath the chin. Now we're going to trace that circle along the inside. Now we're going to move over and draw on the left leg. From the hip, we're going to step in, overlap the thigh, going up, and then bending that out, round up the leg, and then pull that in. And then we'll draw on the top of the foot. From the bottom of the leg, come down, round up the toe, pull that up towards the heel. And then we'll curve the inside of the leg, aiming towards the knee. Going up, and then just bending that out to right about there. Let's add in the toe cap. From the outside of the foot, curve down and in, line this up on the right, curve down and in, flatten off the bottom with a straight line. Now let's go over towards the right hip. Curve the leg, going out and then down towards the knee, curve down and then in towards the ankle. Let's go over towards the right heel, curve the body coming in and then down. Now I'm going to do an overlap. We're going to step back, curve the leg coming down and in towards the heel. Now let's draw on the foot. Starting from the heel, curve the foot coming down. Just going to round this out and then pull that up towards the outside of the ankle. And then we'll add that same toe cap. Starting from the inside, come down and in, line this up on the right, and then we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. And that's pretty much it. There's Miles Morales from Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.